In this video I'll show you how to fold the seats of your Honda Fit. They can fold in different ways. This is what I'll show you. So the first thing I want to show you is how to fold the seat cushion vertically. So all you have to do is to make sure that nothing is blocking in front of this bar over here. Okay, make sure there's nothing, and you're gonna simply take the seat cushion and lift it. Now if you simply let it go, it will go back in place. So we'll have to put this bar down, okay, like this, and this will lock the seat in place. You can do the same thing on the other side. So this can be lifted, and now you're gonna have a huge space over here. Now if you want to fold the seats down, you're gonna have a latch like in many cars that you can simply pull. So I have done the same thing on this side, and by pulling the latch it will fall down. Now you're not obligated to put this part up before folding them, so you can simply take the seat in this position, pull on that latch, and it will fold flat anyway, the same way this one did. When time comes to put back, lift, okay, make sure this doesn't move, and this is about it. Same thing on the other side. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.